Our dear Earthlings, planet Earth is heading rapidly towards the destruction of the general habitat. This is a concrete and proven fact. What can we do in this situation? Militate to save the entire planet? There are many organizations which have this purpose and for which they spend huge sums of money. However, the results fall behind the funds spent and the efforts made. The waters continue to be polluted. The forests are still savagely devastated. The meadows disappear. The lakes dry up. The agricultural lands are exploited without mercy until they become unusable. Consequently, we are going from bad to worse. What do we offer you? We propose the Heritage Harmony Project, which is one of a kind. We briefly present 10 unique features. The only viable solution to save a forest, a lake, agricultural land is to buy them from the market and secure them in a patrimony. This heritage has no commercial purposes. It is non-profit and non-transactional. The solution cannot be applied for all the people of the planet, but only for the members of a community, although all the people will benefit from the existence of the saved patrimony. The rational exploitation of the owned assets will generate financial resources that will be further used for the redemption of more assets. Once this heritage is established, we will apply complex security solutions to protect and preserve it. Without supervision and defense by all legal means, rest assured that we will have no chance of success. In the event of local or global crises, the heritage will be used to provide survival resources for community members. The network of rescued assets will be practically a survival network for the donors in the community. The agricultural land will provide food, other assets will provide shelter, and so on. Thus, the saved heritage will have values far beyond the aspects related to the environment and ecology. It is clear that this microcosmos that we want to build is not complete without saving the elements related to traditions and spirituality. So that apart from forests, lands, springs, we cannot ignore the saving of books, paintings, and other landmarks related to art and wisdom. We argue that technology must be put at the service of life and not in place of life. Consequently, some of the resources produced will be used to support inventions and research, which may lead to discoveries that will make our lives better, healthier, and cleaner. In the heritage movement, we militate to change the mentality of the members of our community, a new spirituality, a new way of thinking in harmony with nature, which will ensure our long-term sustainability and harmony. In conclusion, we want the construction of an archetype project which will be the refuge of the members of our community when the current society will begin to collapse. Later, it will represent the cradle and the starting point for a new civilization. This is our plan. So far, we have managed to redeem many tens of thousands of square meters of agricultural land. They have entered the process of greening and guarding. If you are ready to secure a place in the Ark, we are waiting for you by our side.